There's our Peregrine. Everybody's in their proper place today. Right on top of the light poles, right on the cap. Checking around the area and looking for something to catch for breakfast here. Saw the red-shouldered hawk about 20-30 minutes ago down by the Green River Natural Resource Area. Right there by the FedEx Delivery Center, across from the Pet Adoption Center, which has that heron rookery right in the back there in Kent, Washington. Down by the Boeing Aerospace area. That's where we're at. This is one of the peregrines that sleep on the Boeing Aerospace building every night. Oh, looking around here trying to find something to catch. Anyway, we're all excited about it. We have a regular run here and come down about every day and try to find the birds. Lucky today we found the peregrine, and we also saw the red-shouldered hawk over there by the Green River Natural Resource Area. Alright, let's see if we can locate one of the other ones.